Hi, I'm Matthew Mobilio, founder of Mobilio Law. In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about sexual harassment in the workplace. It is unlawful for an employer to harass an applicant or employee because of that person's sex. For instance, it is illegal for an employer to make unwelcome sexual advances, requests for sexual favors, or other verbal or physical gestures of a sexual nature. It's important to understand, however, that sexual harassment does not have to be of a sexual nature. It is illegal, for example, to harass a woman by making offensive comments about women in general. Sexual harassment can come from just about anyone. The harasser can be the victim's supervisor, a supervisor in another area, a coworker, or someone who is not an employee of the employer, such as a client or customer. Further, both the victim and the harasser can be either a woman or a man, and the victim and harasser can be the same sex. Although the law doesn't prohibit simple teasing, offhand comments, or isolated incidents that are not very serious, harassment is illegal when it is so frequent or severe that it creates a hostile or offensive work environment, or when it results in an adverse employment decision, such as the victim being fired or demoted. Some examples of sexual harassment include asking for sex in exchange for employment advancement or benefits, inappropriate touching, such as massaging shoulders, intentionally rubbing against another employee, displaying or emailing pornographic video or images among coworkers, making inappropriate sexual jokes, making inappropriate sexual gestures or comments which bring attention to a person's body, mannerisms, or clothing, sending unwanted messages, including emails, chats, interoffice letters or notes, continuing to ask for a date after you've been told no, demanding physical contact, such as a hug, kiss, or massage, asking sexual questions about another employee's sexual history or sexual orientation. If you believe that you've been sexually harassed, you may have a claim against your employer. However, there are several factors that must be considered before you can pursue a claim. For example, you'll need to determine whether your claim falls under state or federal law. You must determine whether you're required to file a claim with the Equal Opportunity Employment Commission before pursuing a private lawsuit. You must file your claim within a certain period of time. Your employer must have a certain number of employees to be applicable, and other important facts that must be considered. It's always best to first speak with an attorney experienced in employment matters before taking any legal action. If you have a question about sexual harassment, contact Mobilio Law today for a free consultation.